The first thing that you do when you're vetting a potential purchaser is obviously to kind of gauge from speaking with that person or that entity that is going to prospectively purchase the business, to see whether or not they're serious about it, whether or not they have the financial capability. And I don't mean just cash, because a lot of people that have all kinds of money use other people's money. So their ability to finance, and a lot of that you can garner initially, but then you do due diligence afterwards. So there's that type of vetting that should go on in every case. And then specifically, you may have additional motivations to vet. One may be that you have loyalty towards the persons that are employees, whether they're management or quote unquote lower level employees, and you want to make sure that they are going to be cared for, whether or not they are going to be part of the new business or not. That's an important thing for most employers to consider, because most of them have a really good relationship, especially small businesses, with their employees. You also, too, want to be extra careful if you are going to, as the business owner, still have some involvement with the business, because as most people know, that sometimes when an owner sells it, they are selling the assets and the goodwill of the business, but it doesn't mean they don't have their hand in the business, and they may be kept on as a senior official or an officer, possibly a director, usually not when that's sold. Usually they kind of lose their directorship, and not always. But also, too, they may be hired as a consultant. So if you're still going to be involved with the business, even though you may receive a good payday for the sale, but contractually you're tied into that business for how many ever number of years, then it's important to vet to make sure that that's a good fit for that particular owner.